Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Miracle and I am going to teach you a language which you will love, that is Khasi language. It is a language of the Khasi tribe of Meghalaya in India. So let us begin with some basic and easy words. Translate these English words to Khasi. Okay. Me, nga, you, p, your, jongpi, mine, jonga, their, jongki, we, ngi, they, ki, she, ka, he, oo. Well, we will learn few sentences in the next lessons. Please do come back and let's have fun. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, share and comment below. Please let me know in the comments below if you have any requests and I'll get back to you. Kublai Shibun, thank you so much. Ngin saya kendupat. We will meet again.